Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and participate with competitive world. First question: Who is known as Iron Lady of India? Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi, the first Prime Minister of India, is known as the Iron Lady of India. Next: During whose region did Toimur invaded India? Answer D. Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah. Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah was a Sultan of Bengal. He was a descendant of Sultan Shamsuddin Ilyas Shah of Bengal. Nasiruddin took the title of Nasiruddin Abul Muzaffar Mahmud Shah when he ascended to power in 1435 AD. Next, cotton for textile was first cultivated in which country? Answer B. India. Where Buddha started his teaching? Answer B. Sarnath. Sarnath is a place located 10 km northeast of Varanasi near the confluence of the Ganga and the Varuna rivers in Uttar Pradesh, India. The deer park in Sarnath is where Gautam Buddha first taught the Dharma. Next, the first passenger train in India ran between? Answer B. Bombay and Thane. India's first passenger train run took place from Mumbai to Thane for around 34 kilometers on 16th April in the year of 1853. That train had 4 carriages carrying around 400 passengers. Next, Baburnama was written in which language? Answer A. Chagatai Turkic. Baburnama was the autobiography of founder of the Mughal Empire Babur. It is written in Chagatai Turkic language, which is his mother's tongue. Next, market regulation system was introduced by? Answer B. Alauddin Khilji. Market regulation system was introduced by Alauddin Khilji. He was the second and the most powerful ruler of the Khilji dynasty that ruled the Delhi Sultanate in the Indian subcontinent. Next, in the 10th mandala of the Rigveda, which one of the following hymns reflect upon the marriage ceremonies? Answer B. Purusha Sukta. Purusha Sukta contained hymns about marriage ceremonies. Next, what was the northwestern border of the Mughal Empire during the reign of Akbar? Answer B. Hindu Kush. The Hindu Kush is an 800 kilometers long mountains range in Central and South Asia to the east of the Himalayas that stretched from the central Afghanistan into far northern Pakistan and far southern Tajikistan. Next, when the Simon Commission visited India, the viceroy was? Answer B. Lord Irwin. The Indian Statutory Commission, also known as Simon's Commission, was a group of 7 members of parliament under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon. The Simon Commission arrived in British India in 1928 to study constitutional reform in Britain's largest and most important possession. Next, the main goal of farmers in 1900 was to? Answer C. Hold on to political and economic power. Next, the government of India has decided to declare which of the following rivers as national rivers? Answer A. Ganga. The Ganga river rises in the western Himalayas in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and flows south and east through the Gangetic plain of North India into Bangladesh, where it empties into the Bay of Bengal. It is the third largest river on the earth by discharge. Next, the last Mauryan king was? Answer D. Brihadrata. Brihadrata was the initiator of the Barhadatta dynasty, the earliest ruling dynasty of Magadha. Next, Chipko movement was basically against? Answer B. Deforestation. The Chipko movement or Chipko Andolan refers to a forest conservation movement of deforestation. In modern India, it began in 1973 in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Next, Where and when the first session of Indian National Congress was held? Answer B. Mumbai, 1885. The first session of Indian National Congress was held from 28 to 31 December 1885 in Mumbai and was attended by 72 delegates. Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president of the Indian National Congress. Next. The third battle of Panipat was fought between the Answer A. Afghan and the Marathas. First battle 1526 fought between the Toimurids under Babur and the Afghan under Ibrahim Lodi. Second battle 1556 fought between the Hindu king Himu and the Mughal under Akbar. Third battle 1761 fought between the Marathas Empire and the Durrani Empire under the Afghan kings Ahmad Shah Abdali. Next. With reference to the first battle of freedom in 1857, who was related to Jhansi? Answer B. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the Maharani consort of the Maratha princely state of Jhansi from 1843 to 1853. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for Indians nationalists. Next. Which major event in Indian history is also called as White Flowing River? Answer B. Dandi March. The Indian history, Dandi March or the Salt March was an act of non-violent civil disobedience in colonial India led by Mohandas Karmchand Gandhi to produce salt from the seawater. Next. The Hindustan Republican Association, subsequently styled as the Hindustan Socialist Republic Association or Army, HSRA, was founded in 1924 by Answer D. Sachindra Sannal. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association was a revolutionary organization adhering Marxism and Socialism. Previously, it was known as the Hindustan Republican Army, founded by Ramprasad Bismil, Sachindra Nath Bakshi, Sachindra Nath Sannal, and Jogesh Chandra Chatterjee. Next. Which battle established British supremacy in India? Answer B. The Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey in the year 1757, victory of a British East India Company over Nawab of Bengal established British supremacy in India. The victory came under the leadership of Robert Clive. Next. Who presided over the cabinet mission? Answer D. Sir P. Lawrence. The United Kingdom Cabinet Mission of 1946 came to India aimed to discuss the transfer of power from the British government to the Indian leadership with the aim of preserving India's unity and granting it independence. Next. The Simon Commission visited India in the year Answer D. 1927. The British government appointed a commission under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon to report on India's constitutional progress for introducing constitutional reform as had been promised in 1927. Next. Lodi dynasty was formed by Answer A. Bahulal Lodi. The Lodi dynasty was an Afghan dynasty that ruled the Delhi Sultanate from 1451 to 1526. It was the fifth and final dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate and was formed by Bahulal Khan Lodi when he replaced the Sayyid dynasty. Next. Who discovered the Indus Valley Civilization? Answer C. Dayaram Shani. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as Indus Civilization, was a Bronze Age civilization in the northwestern region of South Asia. It was one of three early civilizations of the Near East and South Asia. Next. Where was the Third Buddhist Council held? Answer B. Pataliputra. Pataliputra, adjacent to modern-day Patna, was a city in ancient India, originally built by Magadha ruler Tashatru as a small fort near the Ganges river. Next. The Indian subcontinent was partitioned into Answer D. India and Pakistan. The partition of Indian subcontinent into India and Pakistan after World War II along the Red Cliff Line following the Indian Independence Act of 1947 was based on religion conflicts. Next, which one of the following was not authorized by Annie Besant? Answer D. India Old and New. Except option D, all the others are posted by Annie Besant. Next, Commissioner for the Affairs of India are known as? Answer C. Board of Control. The Commissioners of Indian Affairs were a group of officials of colonial Albany, New York, charged with regulating the fur trade and dealing with the Iroquois. Next, who first translated Mahabharata into Tamil? Answer C. Perundabanar. Perundabanar was a Tamil poet who lived during the third Sangam of Tamil. He is a renowned poet who translated Mahabharata to Tamil. So friends, thank you again to stay with us, and a cordial request to everyone still now who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and press bell icon for our future notification. Till next, thank you.